Okay, this afternoon we tried to do the other experiments from the static electricity unit, but unfortunately we didn't have all of our supplies. Now, for the pie plate experiment, what we needed was a styrofoam plate to use, but unfortunately we didn't have one of those here. The other items you need is just a simple pencil, a pie plate, and a tack to attach the pencil to your pie plate. Now just remember, if you are doing this at home, make sure you're using one with an eraser so you can get the tack in nicely. The purpose of the pencil for this is just to act as a handle. So for that experiment, if you want to try it at home, you want to rub the styrofoam plate on the floor, if you have carpet, or on your clothing, and get a buildup of static electricity on it. Then you put the plate on the ground or table face down, and you hold the plate above it and drop it onto the plate. And then if you stick your finger out, there should be a static electricity charge coming from the plate to you. So since we can't do that experiment, all I'm going to do is take this apart and we're going to do the next one. Now on the work on it activity, there's actually 3 different cereals it asks for you to try. Now, if you're like us and you don't have a multitude of cereal at home, you can maybe try something else, something like crackers, something ground up, flour, whatever you have handy. So what we're going to do is we're going to see if we can pick up some of these Rice Krispies with a balloon. So Brianne, I'm going to ask you to rub that on your hair for 1 minute, please. Okay, and stop. Let's see how that hair looks. Okay, Brianne, can you hold it over top the Rice Krispies? Let's see what happens. Okay, let's lift it up and turn it towards the camera. So we got a few in there. Let's see if I can maybe get a few more off of that. So you can actually hear the Rice Krispies attaching to the balloon through static electricity. So Brooke, while I'm emptying these, could you rub the balloon on your head, please? And we're going to see if there's any change after we put these back in. Hey, Brooke, let's take that balloon. Nice hair. Now, let's see if there's any difference. Okay, we're still picking up some, but definitely not as many as we did the last time. Now, you'll have to ask yourself, why is there a difference? Why did this balloon pick up less Rice Krispies than the other one? Now, even though we had 2 different people rubbing the balloons, the charges of these balloons would have been very similar. Think of what might have happened to the Rice Krispies after we cleaned them off of this balloon and put them back in there. Thanks, Brooke and Brianne.
You're welcome. You're welcome.